like heights and don't mind a little sun? For this crew, it's all A-OK. They're part of a special team being trained to join the Green Job Force. It's thanks to a unique program in Richmond, California.
Our main goal is to get jobs for Richmond residents in the green field, specifically in solar, but ideally anywhere in the green field.
One more. Okay, that's good.
Zoe Burrows is with Solar Richmond, a non-profit job training program for students 18 years old and up. Some of those include urban youth.
It's super important, especially in a place like Richmond, where kids don't necessarily finish high school, don't know where to go, don't know where they want to work.
This crew is learning how to install a solar power system. Clifton Broussard says solar is the planet's future, and his too.
Solar power is a renewable resource. We have already been using non-renewable resources such as oil and coal, things of that nature to make electricity and power things, you know. But we're really trying to get on a more earth-friendly scale, and solar power is the way to go.
Panels will soon go up on this house, where crew members are doing some pre-installation work. Down below, Broussard is working on the inverter, which is a key part of how it all works.
How can it weigh so much? And they're teaching us all the solar installation that we need to know. Getting on the roof, you know, laying down rails, foots, things of that, so we could put the panels on there. And we're also learning on the ground about the inverter. It has an AC box and a DC box with an inverter, so it converts the DC current to AC current, which is usable current around the house. So you can plug in your lamps and TVs and things of that nature.
Energy that isn't used will go back to the local power grid, saving the homeowners money too.
The sun comes out every single day, so why not use something that we get every day so that you could save money and also save our planet at the same time.
Fast forward a day later, and it's all systems go.
We installed about 12 panels up there, 6 on each row, the top and bottom rows. It's about a 2500 volt system after they're all wired in series.
This inverter keeps track of how much electricity the panels are generating.
It actually is displaying the amount of voltage that's coming into the house, and then also the amount of voltage that's going back in the grid system. Basically, you're just saving a lot of money. It's cutting a lot of electricity, and I mean, you can't go wrong.
It's been a successful installation, but Burrows says, in the end, Solar Richmond hopes to give students more than just hands-on skills.
It gets them off the streets, it brings them in contact with a new group of people, it teaches them discipline. It's just kind of a new experience for them, and just learning so many new ideas, and they get really excited when they start doing energy efficiency in solar.
Richmond Build is a beautiful, beautiful opportunity. It allows the young people to actually have a chance in life.
And for this crew, the outlook is looking a lot brighter from up here.